Taylor from Cyber Guys, and I'm here today to talk to you about cyber insurance. So cybersecurity is a hot topic in Australia right now, especially with the recent high-profile breaches of Optus, Ticketmaster and Medisecure. If even the big names with big cyber budgets can get it wrong, how are small to medium businesses expected to recover from a cyber attack? With the frequency and associated costs of cyber attacks increasing each year, the importance of cyber insurance is more relevant than ever. According to the Office of the Australian Information Commissioner, in 2023 there was over 890 notifiable cyber attacks. With the average cost of $4 million each, data breaches were estimated to have cost the Australian economy over $3.6 billion in 2023 alone. On top of that, 1 in 5 businesses that suffer a cyber attack will never recover and close within 6 months. So what can be done to help in the wake of a cyber attack? Cyber insurance is a policy taken out against a business to help them financially and reputationally recover after a cyber attack event. But how do they work? There are 4 main components to a cyber insurance policy. Number 1, we have mandatory cyber controls. So most providers will often insist that a business meets and then maintains a minimum set of cybersecurity protocols. This may include multi-factor authentication and employee training against social engineering attacks. Number 2, we have an incident response. So most cyber insurance providers have a specific way in which cyber incidents must be handled. Often the underwriter or a selected partner will handle the response on behalf of the business, and they'll also stipulate a maximum amount of time in which an incident must be reported to the appropriate party. Third, we have first-party coverage. This refers to the insured business itself and the losses it may face due to a cyber attack. These losses may include incident management expenses, including labour to help report on and investigate incidents, system or data damage and costs to repair the system, business interruptions and lost profits, redirected funds as a result of a social engineering attack such as a ransom payment, and the damage to a brand and customers lost due to reputation damage. And finally, we have third-party coverage. These are costs incurred by other businesses or individuals due to the action or inaction of the insured business. These include anything listed as part of the first-party coverage, as well as costs arising from privacy breaches, credit monitoring services, and legal defense costs and payouts. Before taking out a cyber insurance policy, it's important for businesses to take into account a couple of things. So number 1, they need to gain an understanding of the business's unique risks and the associated costs. 2, they need to ensure that cybersecurity controls and practices are in place. 3, they need to obtain multiple quotes, just like any other insurance policy. 4, they need to make sure that the provider fully understands the business's cybersecurity posture. And 5, they need to fully understand the selected policy and what it does and does not cover. Cyber criminals are constantly changing their tactics and techniques. Therefore, businesses need to be fully prepared for new threats in order to adequately protect their operations. These are the top 5 mistakes businesses are making when selecting their cyber insurance policies. Number 1, they're skipping the risk assessment. 2, they're assuming that all cybersecurity insurance policies are created equal. 3, they don't understand the policy exclusions. 4, they're not understanding how the sublimits of the policy work. And 5, they're not checking their IT provider's third-party cyber insurance coverage. While cyber insurance will help to offset the costs of a cyber attack, it doesn't do anything to prevent them from happening in the first place. It is important to remember that while cyber insurance will offset the costs in the long run, it won't do anything to immediately help short-term cash flow. It can often take weeks or even months to years before an insurance claim is approved and the businesses actually receive a payout. Whilst this is helpful in the long run, it won't help a business that is struggling to make monthly payroll due to its website being unavailable and orders not coming in. Businesses must weigh up the costs and benefits of taking out a cyber insurance policy and then also investigate the defensive measures in which they can help prevent a cyber attack. Cyber Guys are the experts in small business cybersecurity, so get in contact with us today to see how we can help your business get cyber insurance ready. Thanks for watching.